Okay children, look at here children. See the name of the picture loud. We have to say the name of the each picture loud and we have to circle that blend that is in the word. Okay, for example, listen here. They are given a line here. Just look at the picture carefully children. They are given a line here. What is this? A chin, isn't it? Chin. Ch. We have to find out the sound. Which sound will become chin or sh? Sh. It's not a sh. This is a chin. Chi. Yes, this is the correct one. She is a chopping. Chopping means cutting the vegetable. She is cutting the vegetable. That's only chop. Chop. Shaw. Not a shaw. Chop. 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 Chopping. Okay, let's look at this picture children. What is this? This is a brush. What is the spelling for brush? B-R-U-S-H, not C-H, because C-H means then it will become a brush, not a brush, it's a brush ish sound. So then will be S sound will be here. Okay, then see here, they are punching. Punch. Punch, it's not a push. If you put SH, then it will become a punch. It's not a punch. Ch, ch, C sound. Okay. Okay, let's look at this picture children. Listen carefully. This is a bench. Bench. You are getting the C sound, not a bench. You are not getting a S sound. So we have to put a CH. Circle the CH. Okay, this is not a push. This is a cheese. Cheeks. She's just pulling the cheeks. So CH. This is a fish. Sh, sh. Yes. Yes sound. Yes. Immediately all of you telling very correct. This is a shop. Shop. This is not chop. This is a shop. Shop. Yes. Yes sound. Okay. Okay. In this exercise we have learned the different sound of C and S. Okay. The C and S are not same sound. Yes. The S sound will be a stronger like sh. The C sound will always be ch. This sound. Okay, let's go for a next exercise.